know, boss. I saw a woman for 5 minutes. Come on.
Okay. No one else.
You said we're planning on the marriage. You didn't mind taking the chance?
No, I love
Andrew, you playing with Kali?
You're going to take away from her mom.
Andrew.
That seems a
Hi, baby.
cruel thing to do.
Are you and Kali playing? Yeah. Want to give him some veggies? You gonna give Kali some veggies? Oh, you're such a good big brother. Nice sharing. Can you tidy up? Can you put all the veggies in the basket? Andrew? Andrew, can you put all the veggies in the basket? Andrew? Andrew? Can you put all the veggies in the basket, please? Show Kali how to tidy up, Andrew. Andrew, show Kali how to tidy up. Are you giving Kali veggies? Oh, thank you. Can you show Kali how to tidy up and put them in the basket? Onion? Are you getting the onion? Onion. Nom, 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 nom. Is that a delicious onion? Are you going to eat a carrot? Eat the carrot. Where's the carrot? Nom, 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 nom. You gonna give Kali a bite? Give Kali a bite of carrot. Nom, 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 nom. Oh, good job. Oh, you're such a good big brother, Andrew. Here comes Kali. He's doing his push-ups. Are you copying Colin? Can you give Kali a nice kiss? Give Kali a nice kiss.
You're supposed to be here 20 minutes ago.
Mwah. Aw, sweet boys.